Have you heard about the bird that can crush a skull with its feet? What? Like and subscribe to my channel if you love more about birds. The American bald eagle isn't just majestic. It's a wild predator with superpowers. Its grip strength, 400 psi, strong enough to break bones. Its eyesight, 4 times sharper than yours. It can spot a fish from 2 miles away. It dives at 100 miles per hour, snatching prey mid-air with razor-sharp talons. And get this, they mate for life and build nests that weigh over 1,000 pounds. That's like living in a luxury treehouse the size of a small car. Nature's most savage secrets.